Angkatan Bersenjata Federasi Rusia memperbarui informasi operasi militer khusus di Ukraina 24 jam terakhir. Juru bicara Kementerian Pertahanan Rusia, Mayor Jenderal Igor Konasenkov, merilis pertahanan udara Rusia berarti menembak jatuh satu pesawat Su-27 Ukraina di udara dekat Sinelnikovo, wilayah Dnepropetrovsk. Angkatan Udara Rusia juga menghantam 42 aset militer Ukraina. Di antaranya, 3 pos komando, 2 radar untuk penerangan dan panduan, 1 depot bahan bakar, serta 35 titik kuat dan area konsentrasi peralatan militer Ukraina. Secara total, 130 jet tempur dan 99 helikopter, 243 sistem rudal anti-pesawat S-300, Buk M1, OSA AKM, 441 kendaraan udara tak berawak dilumpuhkan. Juga 2.132 tank dan kendaraan tempur lapis baja lainnya, 241 sistem peluncuran roket ganda, 913 artileri lapangan dan mortir, serta 2028 unit kendaraan militer khusus Angkatan Bersenjata Ukraina dihancurkan selama operasi, kata Majen Igor.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. On April 11, buried, well-protected command post of a group of Ukrainian troops in Donbass was destroyed by Kinzhal air missile system near Chasov Yar, Donetsk region. High-precision air-based missiles near Selidovo, Donetsk region, destroyed 1 Ukrainian Tochka-U tactical missile launcher, 2 multiple rocket launchers in 1 underground shelter, 2 camouflaged concentration of weapons and military equipment, and up to 40 Ukrainian nationalists. A base camp of the Right Sector terrorist organization has been destroyed near Novogrodovka, Donetsk region. During the day, high-precision ground-based missiles in Popasna, Novozvanovka and Zolotoye, Donetsk region, destroyed 1 battalion command and observation post, 3 company strong points, 2 company tactical groups of the Ukrainian 24th Mechanized Brigade and Territorial Defense Brigade, as well as 2 areas of military equipment concentration. In total, up to 300 Ukrainian fighters, over 50 armored fighting vehicles, and up to 25 vehicles of various purposes were destroyed as a result of the strikes in these areas. Russian air defense means shot down 1 Ukrainian Su-27 aircraft in the air near Sinelnikovo, Dnepropetrovsk region. Operational tactical aviation hit 42 military assets of Ukraine, among them 3 command posts, 2 radar for illumination and guidance, 1 fuel depot, as well as 35 strong points and areas of Ukrainian military equipment concentration. In total, 130 aircraft and 99 helicopters, 243 anti-aircraft missile systems, S-300, Buk M1, OSA AKM, 441 unmanned aerial vehicles, 2,132 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 241 multiple launch rocket systems, 913 field artillery and mortars, as well as 2,028 units of special military vehicles of the armed forces of Ukraine were destroyed during the operation.